With more details on potential legal action over an incident at Cranston High School East last fall that left several students feeling sick. Good evening, I'm Mike Montecalvo.
And I'm Shannon Heggie. The incident may have been caused by carbon monoxide. And tonight, the City Council discussed pending litigation from a parent of one of those students.
Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado joins us now live from Cranston with new reaction.
It's been more than 6 months since students and staff became sick here at Cranston East. Now one mother is planning to sue the school department, saying her daughter got sick and hasn't been back to school.
She was dizzy, nauseous.
This is Pauline Bilal describing the symptoms her 17-year-old daughter Trinity experienced on November 1st, 2017 in the school gym. She had just given blood.
Her teeth were chattering, her lips had turned blue, her fingers and toes had turned blue.
Bilal took Trinity to the hospital, where she says she was diagnosed with carbon monoxide poisoning. Other students also reported symptoms. This scene is from the next day, as paramedics tested students and staff for carbon monoxide levels outside Cranston High School East. 40 reported symptoms. The school was closed for CO testing, and the company OcuHealth that came in only found normal levels of the colorless, odorless gas in the auto shop and the gym. Reports provided to Eyewitness News from the school department show the company came back 3 times in November and still found normal levels.
On 7 separate occasions during the month of November, she was exposed repeatedly.
But Bilal says Trinity's symptoms continued, so she pulled her out of school in December. Now she's planning to sue the school department, asking for reimbursement for medical bills and a different CO test performed with sealed doors and windows over a longer period of time.
I want them to ensure that the 16 or 1,700 students and staff members that are going inside of that building are safe.
Thursday night, the Cranston City Council met behind closed doors about the potential lawsuit. Council President Michael Farina spoke to us afterwards.
We wanted to get some answers on those tests and find out that the schools are safe, and the answers that came out of the meeting was that the schools were safe and they would not have reopened had there been an issue.
And the school committee chairwoman was at tonight's meeting. She declined to speak to us afterwards, but a school department spokesperson says there hasn't been any complaints of sickness since November. He also says 2 carbon monoxide detectors were installed in the school gym and the auto shop after this incident. There's also a bill in the General Assembly right now to mandate CO detectors in schools in light of this incident. Live in Cranston, I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.